Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, we're gonna check the volume during a call using side buttons. So if you're on a call with somebody, you wanna press the volume up right here. Now, as you guys can see, I cannot change it because I am not on an active call. But if you are, you can press the volume up and keep on holding it until you increase your volume to the max. Now, if you go over into the settings, you may notice one thing. When you go to sound and vibration, go to volume. Here you will notice that there's no call volume. So the only way to change it is during the call. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. We're going to go to connections. Here we have our Bluetooth. We want to turn it off. Click turn off. And now there's no connected devices. And we are 100% sure now. What are we going to do next is we're simply going to clean our speakers, for example. So we got the speaker grills at the bottoms. As you guys can see, let me just show it to you. Here we have our speaker grills. We got everything. And also, if you fold your phone, you should see a little bit of an earpiece right at the top here. So if you're talking to somebody, then you can simply just clean it and it will work just fine. So now what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone. So press the power button, volume down button, and keep on holding it until you see this notification. We're going to click on restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys once it is done. So it should take less than 10 seconds. As you guys can see, the amount of the black on the screen is basically making the camera go crazy. But here we have our Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, and we are waiting. Once it's done, we're gonna go and unlock our tablet. Sorry, not tablet, but the Fold. Here we're gonna go, and as a last resort, we're gonna reset network settings. So we're gonna swipe down, and here we're gonna go to the general management, go to reset, and scroll down to reset options. We're gonna click on reset mobile network settings. Click once, and you need to confirm it with your password. Once you do it, click on reset, and you should see the confirmation on your screen. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.